Matongoretio ni muthikabu Jesse Ireri wa kanitha wa Gospel Revival ni moretie makanitha kunyitana na kuhoera mbeu njithi oro hamwe na maundu mangi gicigo-ini giki.
Tonto isenga ina cogagia mahoya ningira atungatĩri othe atereri mauke vamwe kundu kwao, akora ni ituura riao, akora ni tauni yao, akora ni kaunti yao, mauke vamwe mavoere bururi wao kana ituura riao.
Oro cifo munene gicigo-ini giki John Mwaniki Makenge ni akeneire uhoro uyu akiuga ati ni ugucungiriria guthira kwa mitugo miuru hari mbeu njithi guku nake Boniface Muriithi uria ni muikari wa gicigo giki agicokeria makanitha ngatho iguru ria giko giki kuona ati kuri na atwarithia anduthi aria maingiriire utumiri wa ndawa cia kurebia.
Koretwo twina challenges location ire makiria muno mwena konie alcohol, drugs and substance abuse ni ikoretwe irikuwa na wingi muno.
Na kuo mwena wa Mombatha, borithi ni mahithukitie njira njeru cia imaramari iria cirakua bangi gitumira makonia ma gukuira irio muthemba wa mboga. O ni thutha wa mithogoto 109 ya bangi kuhithukio ituura-ini ria Mbeere thutha wa maabitha a borithi gukunyirwo ndeto ino. Munene wa borithi kaunti-ini ino Johnston Ipara neugite ati uthuthuria ni uratabanio kuhukia wendia na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia guku mwikuirwo akihingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi.
And you can also find the tactics and the strategies that are used by these particular persons when they are found that things are getting tough in Mombatha and they cannot get a space to breathe. They are now moving to areas that we least suspect, and we are warning them, those used and their cronies, that their days are numbered, particularly in this country and in this county, and we cannot allow such a crooked business to be carried within our eyes.
Kungi na kuo kaunti ya Laikipia nitacoketie makinya ma bata hari kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo. Ino ni ndeto iria irekereirio ni mutumia wa gavana wa kaunti ino Riandu guku akiuga ati ni mareire mitaratara ya kunyihia murimu uyu hari mbeu njithi guku agicokeria mutumia mutongoria wa bururi ngatho iguru ria tabarira ya Beyond Zero iria iteithitie hari kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri,
whose overall goal is to mobilize and provide leadership towards zero new HIV infections and reduce the number of deaths among women, adolescents and children in our country is highly appreciated.
Handu-ini Hakameme TV mohoro kuma kundu na kundu, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.